ឡូបាទជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនបាទនៅពេលនេះគឺខ្ញុំចង់ជំរាបជូនបងប្អូនថានេះគឺគេហៅថាថ្នោលបាទបងប្អូនឃើញដើមឫស្សីនេះដែលគេកាត់ជាដើមឫស្សីដែលរាងរឹងបាទតាន់បាទតាន់ភាគច្រើនគឺជាឫស្សីក្រាស់ៗដែលសម្រាប់ដោលទូកបាទដោលហ្នឹងមានន័យថាគឺយើងកាន់ឫស្សីនេះបញ្ឈរបាទជារបៀបអញ្ចេះឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំយើងបញ្ឈរហើយទៅដោលនឹងទឹកនឹងតែម្ដងបាទដោលនឹងបាតដីពីព្រោះនេះគឺទូកដែលប្រើថ្នោលបែបនេះគឺជាទូកដែលច្រើនតែជាទូករាក់សម្រាប់ជាទូកដែលដោលនៅលើទឹកឬក៏ធ្វើដំណើរនៅលើទឹករាក់បាទហើយជាពិសេសគឺនៅខាងក្រោមដែលអាចថ្នោលដោលដល់បាទអានេះគឺការប្រើទូកថ្នោលគឺបែបនេះបាទគឺការប្រើថ្នោលគឺច្រើនតែធ្វើបែបនេះហើយចំណែកឯការដោលគឺយកឫស្សីឬក៏ឈើអាចប្រើជាឈើក៏បានអាចប្រើជាដើមថ្នោលដូចបងប្អូនឃើញครับនេះគឺជាដើមថ្នោលដែរប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់ថាដើមអីដែរបាទប៉ុន្តែដើមនេះក៏គាត់មើលទៅគាត់ប្រើដែរម្ចាស់ទូកហើយជាម្ចាស់ទូកនេះទូកនេះថាជាម្ចាស់ទូកគាត់ប្រើជាថ្នោលដែរហើយនៅខាងនេះមានដូចជាចង្កូតទូកបាទបងប្អូនបាទនេះគឺមានន័យថាសម្រាប់កាច់ចង្កូតប្រហែលជាមានន័យថាសម្រាប់កាច់ចង្កូតប្រហែលជានៅពេលដែលឬក៏ចែវបាទទូកនេះក៏អាចឬក៏ចែវបានដែរបាទប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់ទឹករាក់គឺមានន័យថាគឺអាចប្រើថ្នោលដោលនឹងដីតែម្ដងហើយអញ្ចេះគឺនេះគឺជាទូកគឺទូកដែលបើសិនជាយើងដោលយើងហៅថាដោលបាទបើសិនជាគឺមានន័យថាតលតែទូកហ្នឹងមានចង្វាសំដៅគឺទូកគឺសំដៅទៅលើទូកដែលមានគឺដោយនឹងចង្វាបាទហើយចំណែកទូកចែវគឺច្រើនតែមានជើងបញ្ឈរបាទមានជើងបញ្ឈរដូចជាបង្គោលចេញពីទូកមកហើយចងភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងចង្វាវែងដែលយើងអាចនេះប្រហែលជាកម្ពស់នេះបាទកម្ពស់ដើមខាងនេះបាទគឺកម្ពស់ដើមខាងនេះដែលភ្ជាប់នឹងទូកហើយចងជាមួយនឹងចង្វាឬក៏អាចទៀបជានឹងខ្លីជានឹងបន្តិចបាទហើយចងជាមួយដែលភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងទូកហើយចងជាមួយនឹងចង្វាដែលចង្វាអាចសំដៅច្រវាមិនមែនចង្វាទេបាទគឺច្រវាពាក្យឲ្យត្រូវគឺច្រវាដែលយើងអាចចែវនិងច្រវាបានបាទសំដៅគឺចែវគឺសំដៅទៅលើច្រវាណាដែលចងជាមួយនឹងឈើដែលដុះចេញពីទូកហ្នឹងដែលយើងអាចចែវជាមួយនឹងទឹកបានហ្នឹងហើយគឺយើងថាទូកចែវហើយចំណែកទូកគឺទូកដែលនឹងដៃបាទមានន័យថាយើងកាន់ច្រវាហើយយើងឲ្យទូកទៅមុខដោយយកច្រវាជាមួយនឹងទឹកបាទហ្នឹងហើយគឺមានន័យថាជាទូកបាទអញ្ចឹងទូកនិងទូកចែវគឺមានន័យថាទូកគឺជាទូកដែលមិនប្រើច្រវាបញ្ឈរមានន័យថាមិនប្រើនេះដែលយើងមើលទៅឃើញដូចដែលឈើដែលគាត់ដោតនឹងដីហើយភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងទូកនេះបាទទីចងទូកនេះបាទនេះបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងគឺឈើបែបនេះប៉ុន្តែជាឈើដែលគាត់ធ្វើជាមួយនឹងទូកតែម្ដងណាបងប្អូនបាទហើយគឺបែរជាកម្ពស់ហ្នឹងឬក៏ទៀបជានឹងបន្តិចហើយចងជាមួយនឹងច្រវាទូកបាទច្រវាហ្នឹងគឺច្រវាវែងបាទច្រវាដែលចងអញ្ចឹងច្រើនតែមានដងជាច្រវាវែងជាងទូកពីព្រោះទូកយើងអង្គុយប៉ុន្តែទូកចែវគឺច្រើនតែចែវទូកអ្នកចែវគឺត្រូវឈរនៅក្បាលទូកខាងក្បែរច្រវាហើយកាន់ច្រវាចែវជាមួយនឹងទឹកបាទហ្នឹងហើយគឺទូកចែវអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះក៏មានពាក្យមួយចំនួនដែរបាទខ្ញុំក៏ បងប្អូនស្គាល់ទេនេះគឺហើយនៅតំបន់មួយចំនួនយើងហៅថាចាន់ដែកបាទចាន់ដែកហើយបើសិនជាតំបន់មួយចំនួនក៏យើងហៅថាក្បាក់អីចឹងទៅបាទអញ្ចឹងក៏មានពាក្យការហៅខុសគ្នាអីចឹងដែរបាទហើយនៅខាងនេះគឺយើងហៅថានេះគឺយើងហៅថាមងបាទមងនិងងបាទមងដែលបើជាអ្នកភូមិឬក៏ម្ចាស់ទូគាត់រៀបចំទៅដាក់មងនៅម្ដុំទឹកនៅក្នុងបារាយនោះបាទនៅខ្ញុំឃើញគាត់ទៅចូលទៅកដាលតិចតែមានដែលមានត្រីបាទសម្បូរត្រីហើយនៅខាងនោះគឺមានសត្វហើរដែរតែកំពុងតែឆាប់ត្រីដែរបាទនេះបាទឆាប់ហើយបាទវិញហើយដឹងសត្វអីដែរបាទតែជាសត្វនេះសំកាំងទៀតហើយបាទទុំហើយបាទនេះទុំហើយនេះបាទនេះបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងនេះហើយគឺជាទឹកបារាយដែលបារាយហើយយើងដឹងហើយថាមានប្រវែងមិនដោយ8គីឡូម៉ែត្រមានន័យថា8គីឡូម៉ែត្រស្មើនឹង8000ម៉ែត្របាទ1គីឡូម៉ែត្រស្មើនឹង1000ម៉ែត្រហើយទទឹងគឺមាន2.2 បាទឯកសារខ្ញុំឃើញថាគេសរសេរថា2.2គីឡូម៉ែត្រស្មើនឹង2200ម៉ែត្រអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាផ្ទៃបើយើងចង់រកផ្ទៃនៃបារាយគឺយើងត្រូវដឹងជម្រៅនៃបារាយហើយតាមឯកសារគឺថា7ម៉ែត្រហើយប៉ុន្តែក៏មានការរាក់ខ្លះដែរហើយមិនដល់7ម៉ែត្រទេឥឡូវនេះប្រហែលជា4-5ម៉ែត្រអីចឹងទៅបាទខ្ញុំឃើញថាគេថាបើសិនជាពេលដែលបារាយរដូវដែលរៀងប្រាំងចេះគឺបារាយរៀងរីងទឹកជាងរដូវវស្សាអញ្ចឹងផ្ទៃទឹកមានន័យថាចំនួនទំហំនៃទឹកដែលស្តុកនៅក្នុងអាងបារាយនេះគឺតិចជាងរដូវវស្សាបាទហើយបើយើងគុណយើងរកផ្ទៃក្រឡានៃគីបនៃគប់បាទនៃរៀងដែលអាងដែលរៀងគប់នេះបាទគឺយើងត្រូវយកបណ្ដោយបាទបូកគុណនឹងទទឹងបាទយើងឃើញផ្ទៃក្រឡាហើយយើងយកផ្ទៃកលាហ្នឹងមកគុណនឹងជម្រៅបាទហ្នឹងយើងរកឃើញផ្ទៃកលានៃរាងគីបបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនខ្ញុំអត់មានអីទៀតទេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំក៏ប៉ុណ្្នេះហើយបាទសូមជម្រាបលាបាទអរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនបាទនេះហើយគឺជាទូកដែលគាត់អ្នកភូមិគាត់រៀបចំចេញដំណើរទៅដាក់មងបាទHi everyone, here is the bamboo. This bamboo is a kind of bamboo that is a little bit harder than the regular bamboo because it's very you can see at the end it's very thick. Yeah, the bamboo stick like this is very thick and it's called knaul. In Khmer language it's called knaul. Knaul it's written with the letter Tho, Chừng Nố, Sra Ao, Nâng Lô. Yeah, it's called knaul. Thnoal. Yep, transliterated as Thnoal. We read as knaul. Knaul is something that people use to move the boat, to make the boat go forward. So it means that when people want to move the boat, he or she stand on the boat and then push the knaul against the ground, the bottom part of the earth, the ground under the water, and push it so that the boat can move forward with the force of the knaul. So then it will push the boat to go forward. Yeah, that is called knau. Yeah, and knau can be also made from wood as well, but this kind of tree or branch has to be firm and good enough for pushing against the ground under the water. Yeah, so that it can move the boat. Yeah, yeah. There are I can see here there are different kinds of wood that people use here. Yeah, there's a bamboo, there's a kind of wood, and this is also a small tree as well that is different. Yeah. Yeah. So different varieties of wood and to be used. And this one, it's like we call kampung, where the boat park we call kampung. Yeah. So here, these are boats that we can see here. They are boats. Yeah. From over there, there's some boats too, and these two, and also these two. Yeah. These two. Yeah. Okay. And also here we can see some other things like this one we call chandai. Chandai, I'm not sure. It's a local language called chandai. Yeah, it's like a container, but this container can be used. This is made from aluminum, and but this one can be used to. Normally, villagers use it for washing the clothes. Yeah, for washing clothes, for containing some water in it, and use the water for their home use or something. Yeah, that's called a chandai. But some areas is we call it as kba kba. But also this one here, but it can also be made from aluminum, from inox steel, or from plastic. Yeah, it can be made from those. We still call them all as a chandai. Either is from plastic or from enoch. Yeah, from enoch. But it firstly, I believe that the word chandai, because it was made from metal parts. So that's why it's called chandai. Yeah, because dai means refers to a metal. Yeah, but actually it's translated as steel, but people usually use the word dai as metal. Yeah. And this one we can see people wrap these as we call it gillnet. Yeah, gillnet, but some people call it walnut, but I believe it should be better for gillnet. Gill, G-I-double-L. Yeah, gillnet. Gillnet is something that when the fish, yeah, when the fish goes against the wall of this gillnet, and then the gill of the fish will be stuck, yeah, in the hole of in the mesh, yeah, in the mesh of the wall of this net. So that's why we call it gillnet, I believe, and it's called gillnet or walnut. Yeah, that people will leave it into the water and make it float. Yeah, make it float. It's like a wall installed in the water when people spread it, and then it will be in the water like a wall. And then when the fish goes to go against it, and then the fish gills will be stuck by the net's hole. So that's why we call it a walnut or gillnet. But I think that it should be gillnet, or some people call it walnut, but it's correct also because of when people install it in the water and it looks like a wall under the water. So, and now you can see over there the fisherman or the villager is going to the center part of the Barai, the center part, but in the east side a little bit. Now this part I'm at the east side a little bit and near the end of the Barai, the end east of the Barai. So we can see some buffaloes as well. They raise buffaloes over there. That's the land, yeah, the landlocked. So in this here is a reservoir. I'm at the side of the reservoir, inside the water, inside the body of the reservoir itself. So and now he is rowing the boat. That we can see him doing it right now. That we can call in English as row, R-O-W. Yeah, that's we call rowing. Rowing, it means that people doing, yeah, like that, like we can see him, yeah, that he's rowing the boat. So the fisherman is rowing the boat right now. Yeah, that's we call row, R-O-W. Yeah. So here, yeah, he's going to fish, I think. Yeah. And here, yeah, the boats are parked. Yeah, where the boat parked, we call it kampong. It's like, for example, like in the sea area, we call it kampong pai because it's a port. Yeah, but in a smaller place like where we can park the boat like this, we can call it kampong. Yeah. And also if we come to the land part like this, we call churang. Churang is bank, B-A-N-K. It's a river bank or reservoir bank, or yeah, it's the mouth of the reservoir. That's we can call bank, B-A-N-K. Yeah. Or side, yeah. But bank is more correct to this part of land that is connected directly with the border itself. So that is close to the border. That's we call bank. But the side, it can be a little bit far from the border. That's we can also call it side, riverside, a river bank, riverside, the same meaning. But for me, I believe that riverside is more farther than the riverbank. Riverbank is something that is close to the water. Yeah, the part of the soil, the ground that is connected directly to the water, that is called bank. So, and now here he's rowing to the place where the buffaloes are standing. So they are in the water a little bit, but they are near the bank also. So here we can see in the sky there, that's the whooping crane. I believe it's a whooping crane. Yeah, they are trying to see if they can catch the fish, I think, because whooping crane eat the fish and some smaller insects. Yeah, so some smaller vertebrates, I think that's we call vertebrates. I'm not sure, I'll check on that. Okay, so thank you everyone. Here I'm going to finish the video now, and see you later. Thank you very much for watching. And that's the words that I'm showing you, yeah, now. So I'm walking here, yeah, in the water, and this one in Khmer language, if we call it, it's a fish net, but we use it to catch the fish by hand. In Khmer language, it's called controng. Yeah, controng. yeah. But this one in English we call it control. It's like a fish holder, fish. When we do the fishing, use the fishing rod, and after that we can use this to get the fish. That's we call fish what? Fish net, fish. No, the fish net is called. Oh, I forgot this word. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's it. So and these are the fishing gears. Yeah, they are the equipment and the things that they can use to install. Not just only the nets itself. Yeah, you can see there's some water bottle and also this round shape uh, metal thing. Yeah, it's like a wire, like metal wire, and yeah, that they can use it with the string so that they can spread, and part of the walnut or the gill net stay float on the water, and the other part drop inside the water. Yeah, to spread as like a wall under the water. So that's we call walnut or gill net. Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching, and សូមអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូនេះបាទដែលខ្ញុំនិយាយមិនចេះពាក្យមួយចំនួនដែរដោយសារខ្ញុំចុះមកក៏ឃើញទូកបែបនេះបាទនៅបារាយបងប្អូនបារាយខាងលិចបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំក៏ព្យាយាមនិយាយបន្តិចបន្តួចបាទហើយនៅខាងនោះដែរបាទគឺជាប្រាសាទមេបុណ្យបងប្អូនបាទនៅខាងនោះបាទគឺកំពុងតែrestore បាទកំពុងតែរៀបចំជួសជុលសាងសង់ឡើងវិញបាទ